Takagi Tankless water heaters are equipped with advanced computer chips that continuously monitor the unit's performance and efficiency. When issues arise, the reset function can help restore normal operation. The reset button is typically located on the front of your Takagi unit, positioned near the power switch or main control panel. This strategic placement makes it easily accessible when troubleshooting is needed. For certain models, such as the TK4, you may need to remove the front cover to access the reset button. This is a simple process that reveals the internal control components. Before pressing the reset button, it's important to understand why your unit may need resetting. Error codes displayed on your Takagi's control panel provide valuable diagnostic information that should be consulted in your user manual. The reset button serves multiple purposes, resolving temporary issues, clearing error codes, and helping you become familiar with your unit's operation. Understanding its location and proper use is essential for effective troubleshooting. Follow these 4 essential steps to safely reset your Takagi tankless water heater. Each step must be completed in order for your safety and to ensure proper operation. Step 1. Always power off the unit first. Turn off the circuit breaker or unplug the water heater completely. This ensures your safety during the reset process. Step 2. Locate the reset button and press and hold it for several seconds. You'll know it's working when the indicator lights respond to your action. Step 3. Restore power to the unit. Turn the circuit breaker back on or plug the water heater back in. The unit should begin its startup sequence. Step 4. Check if the water heater operates normally. Test the hot water flow and temperature to ensure the reset was successful. If the reset doesn't solve the problem, your water heater may be displaying an error code that requires specific troubleshooting steps. If your water heater displays an error code like this example, consult your manual to understand what the specific code means and what action to take. Follow these troubleshooting steps. First, check the error code meaning in your manual. Verify gas supply and connections are secure. Inspect for any blockages or debris. If the problem persists, contact a professional service provider. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal performance and preventing future issues. Schedule annual professional inspections to catch problems early. In hard water areas, regular descaling prevents mineral buildup that can cause error codes. Keep filters and air passages clean for optimal airflow and combustion. Following these reset procedures and maintenance practices will keep your Takagi tankless water heater running efficiently and reduce the need for emergency repairs.